Today on the Green Olive Cooking Channel, I'm going to show you how to make an easy classic Italian torta caprese, and it only has 5 ingredients. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. Ciao my friends, my name is Lucia and thanks for tuning into the Green Olive Cooking Channel. This is where I teach you easy recipes for everyday cooking, and let's get started on today's recipe. So the first thing we want to do is we want to have some chocolate chips, and this is about 8 ounces of chocolate chips, and we are going to be adding 1.5 cups of butter. And don't throw the wrappers away because we are going to use them. So you can melt your chocolate chips in a double boiler if you like, but I just like to do it in the microwave. So I will put it on for 2 minutes, stir, see how it is, and if I need to at that point, every 30 seconds I will check on it. So let me go ahead and start to melt these chocolate chips. So to make my torta, I'm using a ceramic round dish, but you could use a spring pan, you could do it in a glass square pan or a rectangle pan, whatever shape you would like is totally fine. But I had mentioned to save the paper from the butter, so all I do is I take whatever little bit of butter is on each one of those, and I will butter the bottom of the pan because it needs to be buttered, so I might as well just use these wrappers, and it's a good way to use up all the butter. So for this recipe, you're going to need 7 ounces of almond flour. You can either buy it already pre-ground or you can grind it yourself. Because we have a lot of almonds on our property, I'm just going to grind it myself, and it's super simple. So I'm just going to use a high-speed blender. And I'm just going to grind these until it comes into a flour mixture. Next, we want 4 eggs at room temperature. So I've already separated them and they've been sitting for about 20 minutes because when they get to room temperature, the egg whites tend to beat better that way, and we're looking for a stiff egg white. So that's just going to take a few minutes. This is perfect. This is what we're looking for, a stiff peak. Now we'll set that aside. We want to add 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we want to beat until all well incorporated and our eggs are nice and light and fluffy. You can see the butter is all melted, the chocolate is nice and soft, and we just want to give this a stir to incorporate all that butter, and our chocolate will become nice and silky and melted. Now we can go ahead and add the sugar and eggs to this mixture. And we just want to mix until the egg mixture and the chocolate mixture are well combined. We want to add our almond flour. Now we want to mix all the flour until well combined. Okay, now at this point that everything is pretty much all well incorporated, now we want to add our egg whites. And we want to add that last because all that air that we've built up, we don't want to deflate it, so we want it to be the last thing that we add to this. So I will just go ahead and add about 1/3 and fold that in. Now I'll add another 1/3 and continue folding, and now I will add the rest. Now we want to add all of our ingredients into our buttered pan. So now we're going to place this in our oven, 350 degrees for about 20-25 minutes, and I'll show you how to serve this when it comes out. Our torta caprese came out. It's beautiful. It took about 25 minutes. I let it cool for about 20 minutes. And there's different ways that you can serve this. So I like to serve it in the ceramic dish, which is why I left it in here. But the first thing I do is I just add some powdered sugar. And of course, all these are optional. You could just do powdered sugar if you wanted. You don't have to do anything else. Then I like to take fresh raspberries. Oops. And just place them all the way around. Then in the center, I like to add a little bit of fresh mint with another raspberry, and there it's beautiful for serving. And you can bring this dessert to a whole new level by adding a scoop of ice cream on top. You can also drizzle some chocolate if you want it to make it even more decadent. There's so many ways that you can serve this dessert, but one thing is for sure, your guests will love it, and make sure you make enough for seconds because it is that good. Anyway, until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.